Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to transmit your readings with the Freestyle meters. And to start off with, you want to make sure that the GMA is no more than 10 to 15 feet away from the modem. And for the Abbott Freestyle meters, we have the Freestyle Freedom Light and we have the Freestyle Light, which are the compatible units. And we'll show you this demonstration using the Freestyle Light. And if you check the back, it's going to show you where the battery compartment is. And it takes one CR2032 battery. And before the reading is taken, you want to make sure that the GMA is not plugged into the unit. And next, what we're going to do is we're going to insert a test strip into the bottom. And once it turns on and it's ready, we're going to apply a sample. And once the sample is applied, you will shortly see the reading appear. We're going to remove the test strip. And once the test strip is removed, then we're going to plug in the GMA into the data port of the GM. And again, all with these units, you want to make sure that it's plugged in firmly. And once you plug it in, you're going to see the PC come on the screen. And once the PC shows on the screen, then we're going to push the red button down firmly. You'll see a green light come on. And shortly after that, we'll see the green light flash on the GMA. And then it will go solid. And the reading light on the modem will turn on. And it's going to start transmitting all the readings to the modem. And once that's done, the GMA will flash green and the modem sending light will come on. And once the transmission is complete, if we check the service database, we'll see the reading show up in the last two measurement section. And once the transmission is done, you must unplug the GMA from the GM. So on the Freestyle Freedom Light, it's the same transmission sequence, no difference. The battery is in the back, CR2032. The only difference between the Freestyle Freedom Light and the light is that the data port is on the top, whereas the Freedom Light is on the side. Other than that, the transmission sequence are exactly the same. So what we're going to do right now is just show you what happens if the patient does not plug in the GMA to the GM properly. So we're going to just plug it in here. We're not going to plug it all the way. We'll leave a little bit of it out. And we're going to force transmission here. So you'll see the PC is on the screen, and we're going to push that red button. And in a few seconds, we'll see a red flashes on the GMA, indicating that it has a data error. This is a slow flash. And after that, you'll see the green light go solid on the GMA, and then the reading light will come on the modem. And at this point, it has really nothing to transmit. So all it's doing is setting up the time, and you won't see anything show up on the sending light. All right, and next I'm going to show you what happens if it's not plugged into anything and you push the red button. You'll see the green light come on. And shortly after, we'll see the red flashes again. And then the GMA will show the solid green. And the reading light will come on the modem. And again, since it has really nothing to transmit, you're not going to see a sending light come on, and the GMA will flash green. All right, next I'm going to show you what happens if the batteries are low in the GMA. So we're just going to swap these batteries out for some old batteries here. And once the batteries are changed, you can see if it's a low battery, it'll start doing a rapid flashing, indicating that it has a low battery. Now we're just going to plug it into the GM and do a forced transmission here. And you can see when you push the button, as soon as you push it, you'll start seeing the rapid red flashes, indicating that it has a low battery and it won't be able to transmit the readings. And just make sure you can distinguish between the two types of flashes. So we have the rapid red flashes, which indicates a low battery, and then we have the slow flashes, which indicates data error. And to reduce the data error, which is basically the slow flashing red on the GMA, what you want to do is make sure that the distance between the modem and the GMA is as short as possible, or less than 15 feet away. Avoid placing the modem or the GMA in any area where there might be electronic interference present, which would be basically in the kitchen, near a microwave, or near a TV, router, modem, cell phone, or any other electronic device that may cause signal interference. And always make sure that the GMA is plugged into the GM firmly.